Hello everybody, this is Robert from Asia Pacific Gardening. Today we're going to working on the Precaminana juniper in front of me right here, and this is the huge tree from there to here, probably talking the 8 feet long. And we've been maintaining this tree for many years. I think it's almost like 10 years. But if you're looking at the bottom, let's the camera down. So this is the one trunk right here.
Hold on. There you go. You can see the trunk there.
And the main connection right here, just like a long cascade. And continue to this part right here. And you probably see, oh, that's another tree right here. Actually, when I maintain this tree, I'm using the cutting branches that's to make the one stick right here. Look at this here.
That's just like a dead branch that we just propped in place to hold it up.
Yeah, look and see here. So this is really good material that could be upgraded, and the owner of this property here going to move to other location, and they love this tree. They call us to ask us to continue to maintain this tree. I'm going to take it out from this ground and we're going to upgrade and save it. And thank you for the owner to let us do this.
Yeah, this is some urban yamadori. We've never really dug a tree out of somebody's yard before, but you know, we rescued an azalea on Craigslist, so pretty sure we can do this. So we got some tools with us. We're gonna dig this bad boy up, and one day hopefully we can turn it into a bonsai tree. A big cascade. Look at this. This is gonna be crazy.
So digging out the tree from the ground, first you need to see the season. Now is February, which is still cold and the tree still dormant season, but we don't have a really cold weather in Seattle this year. So when you try to take it out the tree from the ground, what the success to consider, the size of the trunk is the size of the soil where you're going to cut the tree is a 6 times on this side and the six times on the other side, which is like example 1 inch diameter trunk. So you need the 6 inch on this side, 6 in the other side. The diameter should be 12 inches diameter right there for safety. But see, you need to see how big the root system. But if you have the roots already grow long and you want to cut, that is just to consider. And this trunk right here, basically, this is probably the size we're going to take it out right here, and maybe smaller a little bit, but should be safe.
All right, let's get to digging. Okay, so we chopped off a bunch of these roots, but this is not part of the juniper. Those roots are part of this. So only removed a little bit because it was growing over the roots of this juniper. Kind of pretty decent hole. We're starting to see the roots of this tree. I'm sweaty. My back hurts. I'm old. All right. And we got some extra help today. This is Jewel, one of our volunteers. Thank you, Jewel.
Where did you get that? Just from, please. Yeah.
All right, let's keep working at this root. So you see the thickness of this trunk? This is how far out we're digging. So let's keep at it. Okay, we got a pretty big diameter going, and we've removed, I think, enough where we can pull it out. We kept a lot of the tap roots, trimmed the back as much as we needed to. Now we just need to lift this sucker out.
Take a look the other side too.
Yeah, let me over there. Yeah, that's one tree. Look, that little fake branch is gone. So this is gonna be an incredible cascade. Root on this side, going over there. So if I turn it this way, you can train this into a cascade. See it? So we're on the back side of this tree, and I think before we try lifting it, I wanna clear out some of this stuff over here. Because it's not deep enough, and I think there's a deep root that we need to loosen up before we dig this bad boy out. Oh my goodness, look at this. That's crazy. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna try to dislodge the tree right now. Just lift it up and put it back down, and then figure out the next step after that. Okay. Ready? 1, 2. You got it? So, boom. Yeah, let's move it over there. Okay.
It's a lot bigger than what it was.
Yes. This tree is way bigger. Okay, well, let's slowly cart this out. I'm just gonna let the camera roll. And we'll support on this side. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, hold on, let me get off this side.
Right now, you ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, hold here. Get Jewel in. Oh. All in?
Yep.
It's a perfect fit. Hold on, let me get the camera. They gotta see this. Look at this. It was meant to be because it stopped right here. That's crazy. Whew, we did it.
See how big the space right here is, a hole right here. After we remove the tree, we want to make this beauty, you know, put the topsoil, potting soil, and the potting soil on the top in the future. They can plant the plant around here and put the beauty part cover at this area. It should be clean.
Yeah, we're not just gonna leave a hole here because we're not assholes. So yeah, let's fill this up. Now that we got the soil filled in, we should probably rake it back in place, and I got just the rake for you. Check this out. This is a fully adjustable rake. Even the length is adjustable, so you can rake really quick, and when you're done, just give it a twist, release the latch, and you can store this away quickly. If you visit pnetools.com/bonsai and use promo code bonsai at checkout, you can get 10% off some of the tools that we use today, and these are the tools we use on a daily basis. The rake is the B999. We also use the BR2700. This gives you a lot of advanced power when removing thick roots, thick branches. It gives your wrist a huge break, so you don't have to use a lot of power. We also have the smaller B777 blue ratchet pruner. Same ratchet pruning technology. It gives your wrist a break on the thicker branches that you don't need the BR2700 for. We use these tools on a daily basis. So if you visit pnetools.com/bonsai, use promo code bonsai at checkout, you get 10% off select bar nail tools that we use on a daily basis. Let's get to some raking.
That's it for today. We've been working hard and cleaning up. Nolan and Joel is the one work together, and this is a team. Thank you for watching the TV.
Yeah, and thanks for joining us on this urban yamadori journey. We're gonna head back to the office and work on part 2 of this video, so stay tuned for updates. But that's it for this one. Hit like, hit subscribe, leave us a comment what you think of this ridiculous technique. I know we don't have the best power tools, but this is in somebody's backyard and we can't bring any heavy machinery back here. We'll see you next week. See ya.